dear students, today we will do the program for queue. So what is a queue, that you have to understand. Like in the last video I have taught stack. So stack is a last in first out structure, means the element which is inserted at the last will be deleted first, and opposite to it is queue. Queue is first in first out, FIFO. The element which is entered at the first will be deleted first. Okay, so in the program the insert function will remain same only the delete function will change. Okay, so like stack with the functions where push, pop and pick, here we have insert, delete and display. So starting with the program, like I have taken any class q1, constructor is there. Here I am providing the size, then front rear variables with 0, and then I am providing the size to the array q. Then we have the function add element, add ele. So add element is the function here we are inserting the elements in the queue. And then we have the delete function. Here delete function hai. Here we have to delete the elements from the beginning and return. And if no elements are there, then return -99. And then we have the display function. So in display function we have to display the elements of the queue. So this is our question. Now let us see the program from the beginning. I will explain the concept. First of all, we will provide the size to m, that will be given to size variable. Front and rear इसको 0 से इनिशियलाइज करेंगे, and then size will be given to the array. इतना कर देंगे कंस्ट्रक्टर में. उसके बाद add element. तो जैसे add element फंक्शन को एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, it will ask us to enter some value for v. So let us draw the queue first of all. Suppose I have drawn this array with size 3. Okay, I can take any size, कोई भी size ले सकते हैं. So for v, enter any element in v. Suppose it is 10. Then if rear is less than size, okay, so rear and front both are 0. Size will be 3. Size 3 है, तो obviously 0 is less than 3. True. तो q at rear plus plus 1 हो जाएगा. So q at rear plus plus is equal to v. Okay, so where will the element get inserted? At 0. देखो यहाँ प्लस प्लस जो अप्लाई किए हैं, दिस इज अ पोस्टफिक्स ऑपरेटर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट विल बी इंसर्टेड एट लोकेशन नंबर 0 एंड देन रियर विल इंक्रीज. तो 10 विल गो टू लोकेशन नंबर 0 एंड देन यू कैन डू रियर प्लस प्लस. तो अब रियर इंक्रीज होके 1 हो जाएगा. देन आई हैव कॉल्ड द डिस्प्ले फंक्शन. सो लेट अस वंस गो टू द डिस्प्ले फंक्शन एंड सी. देखो हाउ एम आई डिस्प्लेइंग द elements in the array or in the queue. I equal to front, so I will start from 0 and less than rear. So rear is 1, so 0 less than 1. True. So print q at I. So q at 0 will be printed. First element along with the message. Elements in queue, first element is 10. Okay, like this. Again we will go to the function add element. ठीक है. So next element, when you run the function it will ask you to give the next element. तो दूसरा element दिए suppose 15. then rear is less than size. ठीक है, 1 is less than 3. true है. then q at rear, q at 1 is equal to v. तो 1 पे 15 insert हो जाएगा. 15 will be inserted at 1. then rear plus plus, rear will become 2. again display will be called. So how were we displaying the for loop in display function? I equal to front, I less than rear. तो I हो जाएगा 0 and 0 less than rear. So rear है 2. So 0 and 1, 10 and 15 will be printed. So these are the two elements in the queue. Again if I call add element function, suppose this time I am inserting 12 in variable v. then rear less than size. true है, 2 is less than 3. then q at 2 is equals to 12. Now the queue is full. After that, rear plus plus, rear will become 3. Again the display function will be called, so it will print 0 2 less than rear, means less than 3. So 0 1 2, 0 1 2, all the 3 elements will get printed. After this, if again I call the add function, suppose I am entering 14, but this condition will be false because rear has become 3. rear भी 3 हो गया है, देखो, और 3 less than 3 false. तो क्या प्रिंट करेगा? It will go to the else part and print overflow, or you can write queue overflow. Whatever message is asked in the question to print, you can print. Okay, or you can print a general message, queue overflow. So like this, the elements will be inserted in the queue. Okay. Now I am removing this part. इसको रिमूव कर देते हैं. अब डिलीट फंक्शन को देखा जाए. डिलीट फंक्शन में डिलीट भी करना है और रिटर्न भी करना है. वी हैव टू डिलीट एंड रिटर्न. ओके. इफ फ्रंट इज लेस देन रियर, नाउ हाउ मच इज फ्रंट? 0 और रियर 3. देखो रियर के यहाँ लास्ट वैल्यू है ना, रियर इज इक्वल टू 3. सो 0 लेस देन 3 ट्रू. रिटर्न क्यू एट फ्रंट प्लस प्लस. तो फ्रंट प्लस प्लस is again a postfix operator. So first of all, q at 0 will be returned. So 10 will be returned. Okay, and then front will be increased by 1. तो इसको भी लिख देते हैं. अब front 1 से increase कर जाएगा. Means it was 0, it will become 1. Okay, then again after that, again if you call, once again the condition will be checked. Front 1 हो गया है, so 1 is less than 3 true. Then again return q at front, q at 1. So 15 will be returned. Front plus plus 2. Then again we will check. Front is less than rear. So front is 2, 2 less than 3 true. Then return q at front, q at 2. So 12 will be returned. Then front plus plus, it will become 3. Now as soon as you make it 3, then 3 less than 3. Now front is also 3, rear is also 3. Means there are no elements in the queue now. So we will come to else part. पहले message display कर दिए underflow, and then I am returning -99. So like this, the elements will be deleted from the front. Okay, in stack we were deleting from the back, and queue we are deleting from the front. First of all 10, then 15, then 12. So this is first in first out. ठीक है. अब देखो इसको रन करके भी दिखा देते हैं. लेट अस एग्जीक्यूट द प्रोग्राम. एग्जीक्यूट भी कर लिया जाए. Okay, so like this stack and queue, any program can be asked from you, but the question will be of similar type. खाली डेटा उसका चेंज करेगा. क्वेश्चन बनेगा, प्रोग्राम इसी तरह से बनेगा. और रह गया डी क्यू. तो डी क्यू का वीडियो इस बार उतना कंपलसरी नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट सो कंपलसरी बिकॉज इन 23 ओनली, 2023 आई मीन, डी क्यू वॉज आस्क्ड. सो दिस ईयर दे विल श्योरली चेंज द क्वेश्चन and they will ask stack or queue. Now let us see the output for this program. Compile it, no syntax errors. New Q1. यहाँ पर देखो साइज एंटर करना है इन दिस बॉक्स. ओके, सो यू एंटर द साइज 3, प्रेस एंटर की. ऑब्जेक्ट इज क्रिएटेड. राइट क्लिक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐड एलिमेंट. तो हियर यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड सब एलिमेंट. लाइक आई हैव एंटर 10. देखो डिस्प्ले फंक्शन कॉल हो गया. एलिमेंट्स इन क्यू इज 10. वंस अगेन कॉल डिस्प्ले ऐड एलिमेंट. एक बार और फिर से एलिमेंट इंसर्ट करो, सपोज 20. देखो एलिमेंट्स इन क्यू इज 10 and 20 both. Then call once again add element, this time suppose 12. देखो एलिमेंट्स इन क्यू 10, 20 and 12. Then if I call it after this also, then error will come, overflow. Obviously it will ask us the element, but it will not get inserted because I have given the size of the queue only 3. So 3 elements are already inserted. So that's why overflow message will come. Like that you delete, int delete. See, it is printing na. Which element, sorry, which element is deleted? You can maximize and see. Returned int 10. तो 10 कहाँ था? एरे का बिगिनिंग में था ना, क्यू का बिगिनिंग में फर्स्ट एलिमेंट वाज 10. Okay, so 10 is deleted. Then again int delete 20. Second element 20 था. Again third element 12. And then again if we call, see, minus 99, and under flow message is displayed. Okay. Like this, if you want to display the function also from time to time in the delete function, this one delete function, यहाँ पर अगर डिस्प्ले करना है तो ये देखो डिस्प्ले लिखे थे, खाली कमेंट लाइन बना दिए थे उसको. रिमूव द कमेंट लाइन सिंबल, run it. Now run it once again. Q1, suppose the size I am giving to the array 2 only. First of all I will add some element 10. So elements in Q10. Again I will call 20. Okay. Once again I will call suppose 30 overflow. ये add element हो गया. Now delete. देखो element returned 10, so 10 will get deleted. Okay, next time when you run it will not display 10. देखो इसको run करते हैं, int delete. See, 10 is gone ना. So 10 was at the top, this window is also there. Returned int 20. So 10 is gone. Next turn, in next turn 20 will also be gone, nothing will be displayed. Close it. Again if I call int delete, see, now nothing is displayed. Underflow message is coming and returned value is minus 99. So like this queue works. Okay, thank you students. Like this you keep on watching the videos. I will upload more programs for the board examinations. Okay, stack and queue is done. Similarly I will give another programs also. Thank you.